Hello everyone, my name is Govind and currently I am working as a data analyst at Adent Analytics. So in today's video we are going to solve the date related error that we often get while working on Power BI into the Power Query editor. So the scenario that I have is that this is the date query that I am having and it is only having the single column which is a date. Okay, but the thing is that like the data type of this column is not proper. If I change it to the date, so you can see I am getting the errors in few cells and some cells are formatted correctly into the date data type. So if I try to look back, so the current format that I am having in my query, or I can say the data, which is date, month and year, you can clearly see for the each cell like 25 of April 2025. So this is the standard date format that we here follow in India, which is day, month and year, right? But when I tried to change it, it has only taken the format where it finds the month, day and year format, and at other places it throw us an error. So how can you solve such type of error while changing the data type of the date column? I am going to talk about that. So there are possible two ways of solving this type of error. How? The first way is that you need to go here at the data type, but instead of choosing this option which is date, you have to select here using Locale. Once you do that, the window will appear, and from here data type option you have to select date, and instead of it has by default taken the English India format, so you have to keep selected this column and click on OK. Once you do that, it has correctly picked up the format which is day, month and year, and now the data type has also been changed and there is not any kind of error. So this is the one way of resolving the error. The another way is that just cross this step by using the options and settings. So what you can do, you can go here at the file, options and settings, and then options. Okay, so like this is the options window, and from here you need to go to the current file section and the regional settings. So you can see currently it has been set to the English United States, and there the format of date is month, day and year. So you have to change it to English India. Let me check where I get this option. Yes, this one. Once you do that, click on OK. I will again go here, and now if you try to change the option date data type, so you can see now you don't get any kind of error. So there are two possible solutions of this error, which is by using the Locale option and by changing the file setting and regional setting to English India, and the regional setting depends upon the country you are living in. So yes, this is all about this video, and if you are having any questions, so please ask in comment sections, and like and share this video and subscribe to Adent Analytics for more insight. Thank you for your time.